Welcome to the 5-minute Pilates session. Leg, and then lift it on the left. So just walking the heels, loosening the ankles. Keep it going. Okay, last one. Bring the foot back down. Now standing on the left leg. If you need to have something just by you just to keep you balanced, please do. We're just going to lift the right leg gently and then we're going to come up on the toes. So we're going to work the calf and ankle on the left leg, lift up and slowly come back down. So lift up and slowly come back down. So keeping the shoulders relaxed, core engaged, lifting up and slowly back down. You should really feel the ankle and the calf working. So lifting up, lifting up and slowly bring it back down. One more slow one. Now we're going to do 10 quick ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You should feel the calf burning just a little bit now. Okay, change leg, right leg. We're going to come up slow on the toes, lifting the heel. Slowly come back down. Lifting up. Slowly come back down. Keep breathing. Slowly up. Slowly come back down. Same as when we balance, find a focal point to look at. Or a chair to hold on to. Two more slow ones. Ten quick. You ready? And we're going to go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, give the legs a shake. Sorry, Linda. Okay, taking the feet slightly wider. We're going to come up onto the toes, lifting up. Slowly bring them back down. Lift up. Slowly come down. Lift up. Slowly come down. That's better, you can see my feet better. Lift up. Core engaged, shoulders relaxed. Slowly come back down. Bring the bum down. Just a little, doesn't have to be a full squat. Lift the heels. Put them down. Lifting both. Lift. Put them down. Lift. Put them down. Lift. Down. Lift. Keep the shoulders relaxed, core engaged. Two more. Lift. Put them down. Lift. Put them down. Bring the body up. Give the legs a shake if you need to. Okay. Small squat, doesn't matter how low you go. We're going to do alternate heels. Really getting up as high on the toes as you can, so really lifting those heels. Last one. Bring it back up. Give the legs a shake. Okay, we're going to come down. If you enjoyed that video, why don't you have a look at one of the longer sessions?